Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you guys doing? So today this is gonna be super weird, but I'm gonna do the no brand tutorial. Samantha Ravindal did something like this a while back. I don't remember when, but I'm gonna link her video in the description. But she did like basically what the video is that you just do your makeup without mentioning the brand, so no brand, and you will be like encouraged, I think, to use the makeup that you have, recreate a look or to recreate like what you're watching without having to necessarily go and buy something that you might not need and you already have in your collection. We're gonna do that today. You guys know me and using my own makeup. I love using my makeup. This is a way for you guys to also join me and use the makeup we own. And if you really want me to tell you what I'm using and you want to know what it is, let me know in the comments and I will let you know what the product is. And yeah, that's it. Also subscribe to my channel. I I want to get to 40 before the end of the year. I was hoping for 30 and it happened, and now I'm like, let's go 40. Go big or go home, right? So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Also, my social media accounts are always in the description box. I now do my eyes first. It's so much better, even though it's harder to apply your concealer, but it's so much better in the long run because then you don't have to struggle with glitter. So I'm gonna do my eyes first. First thing I'm gonna use is a primer to prime my eyes. This is so strange. Anyways, use whatever product you have to prime your eyes. If you watch my channel, it's not gonna be very hard to kind of realize what I'm using. It's very easy. Today I'm hoping to do another pink look because I love pink a lot, and the palette that I'm using today is a palette that I want to use more. So yeah, I'm thinking someone commented on my video, I don't remember the name, but she commented on my video and she mentioned that I should do a video using the Sunset palette from Natasha Denona, like using it and doing looks with it. And I'm thinking of doing like a throwback kind of series on my channel, like using the older palettes that I own. All my palettes are now older. If you are someone in the beauty space, the palette that came out yesterday is old news now because every brand is coming out with a new palette every day. So eyeshadow palette could not be like old, but it could be like older in makeup talk. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing something like that. I don't know when I will be able to start it because I feel like sometimes you need inspiration and sometimes I need inspiration to use the palettes. So yeah, I'm gonna do it soon, you guys, and let me know what do you guys think I should name the series. I just thought of throwback because it's the easiest thing to think of, but I want to know what you guys think. What should I name the series? And are you guys interested in that? Would you like to see something like that? Also let me know, please. So I'm gonna spray my face using spray. I'm just gonna spray my face now. For the first shade I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna go with like a brown. This is gonna be difficult, I think. I can't describe color very well, so I'm just gonna use a brown for the first shade. Again, if you guys want me to tell you what palette I'm using, let me know in the comments and I will let you guys know. I would like to, I don't know if this is gonna look good because I never know what looks good, but I think I want to do like a pink, and then in my lower lash line I want to do a blue, and I'm just thinking, how do I go about that? I should not be asking you because you guys are seeing this when I already made up my mind and I'm asking you to help. I'm just taking a little bit more of a different kind of brown, like maybe like a mustardy brown. This is so hard. Why do I not know how to talk? I'm just gonna do a halo eyes because I don't know what to do. I have been sitting here for like 5 minutes trying to think, and I'm just like, I don't want to do this anymore. So I'm just gonna do a halo eye. Now I'm gonna take like a berry shade in the outer corner and inner corner. When you are picking up a darker shade, go slowly. Try not to be impatient because that's how you can maybe ruin a look. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Unless you are in a hurry. And if you are, don't use darker shades because you need to be very patient with them. It's not very easy to fix it after. And now I'm gonna use my glitter primer. And then I'm gonna take the pink shade and add it. Okay, this is what we have now. So I'm gonna just darken up the inner corner and outer corner. So this is how the eyes are looking, and I think I'm gonna do the other eye and I will be back to finish everything else. Sorry about the AC. I am super hot. I just can't. I can't, you guys. Anyways, so let me do the other eyes and I will be back to finish everything up. Okay, you guys, the eyes are done. So for now, I'm gonna do more, but I think I'm gonna do my face. We're gonna start with a primer as usual. Do you guys use primer before you do your foundation, or do you like just go with your foundation? I used to do that, but now I'm just like, it makes me feel better knowing there is something between my foundation and my skin. I don't know if it does anything though. Some people say it does something, some people say it doesn't. You do what makes you comfortable, and if you enjoy having a primer, use it. If you are like, no thank you, I don't need more steps in my routine, you can do that as well. I'm gonna close the AC because I'm dying. I'm either too cold or too hot, never in between. So I'm gonna start with highlighting. Okay, and then I'm gonna start doing my foundation. And now I'm gonna use my concealer. I feel so weird not mentioning what I'm using. I keep wanting to say what I'm using, but then I'm like, nope, that's not point of the video. You're supposed to not say anything. Now I'm gonna contour using something you definitely will not know what it is because it's very something that is very unique and you will not be able to guess. And I always go over my contour using whatever tool that I use for my foundation, just to make sure it looks nice. And now I'm gonna set my face because I hate when my face is like sticky and wet. I don't like it. Do you guys ever get the sudden urge to shave your head? I sometimes look at my hair and I'm like, I want to shave my head because I'm so over it. I don't know why. I don't know why. Sometimes my hair gets on my nerves and I'm just like, you are trying to make me upset. Why? And now I'm gonna bronze my face. And for blush, I'm gonna use like a neutral blush just to make sure it doesn't like clash with the eye look. And now I'm gonna apply my highlighter, which is gonna be like a gold highlighter. Of course, I love gold highlighters so much. Damn. Oh god, I went a little bit overboard, but that's okay. And now I'm gonna do the step that I dread the most, which is my eyebrows. God, I hate doing my eyebrows. Even though I don't need to because I have like thick brows, I still like despise it. And now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Don't know how I'm gonna do this because I'm gonna add like a shimmer shade in my lower lash line and I'm nervous. Let me add the glitter glue on my lower lash line and see how it goes. Hopefully it works in our favor. And now I'm gonna take a blue shade and apply it. I am super scared like it's not gonna work out, but let's see. Oh, I love it so much. It is so cool. Oh my god. Sorry that you are going to see only my forehead because I need to look so close to the mirror. I'm so sorry. But I am literally just patting it instead of like moving it because I don't want to have the blue shade everywhere. So I'm just like, can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, just like patting it instead of like moving anywhere. It looks amazing. I quite like it. I'm gonna do my lashes now. I don't know how I'm gonna apply my mascara and my lower lash line. It's gonna be a mission and a half, but I'm a strong woman and I can do anything except my mind too. Not everything, but kind of. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. And now I'm gonna apply my mascara. Gonna apply my favorite mascara of all time. I wish I had a blue liner to water my waterline, but I unfortunately don't have any. So yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with my flesh colored waterline. So I'm gonna apply my lips now. Of course, let's do a nude. So I'm gonna line my lips. And then I'm gonna apply a nude lip. I think I'm gonna add a gloss on top because my lips are so dry. I'm gonna spray my face cause I want to. Actually, before I end, I forgot to apply an inner corner highlight. Let me do that. How could I forget? I need to clean my brushes because they're so dirty. Damn, that's bright. Oh my god. That is bright as heck. We have reached the end of this video. I hope this was fun for you guys. I hope it wasn't boring. I don't know why I feel like it was maybe boring because I'm literally not saying anything, or not saying anything, but like not talking about the product, stuff like that. But I wanted to do something like this because again, I always am like, you don't need to buy a new eyeshadow palette to recreate an eyeshadow look that you see on the internet, because I can guarantee that your makeup collection has enough eyeshadow palette. Unless you really want it, then of course go ahead, it's your money. But we don't need to buy everything. That's the point. We don't need to buy every single thing to recreate a look. So yeah, I hope this was fun for you guys. I had so much fun filming this. I always have so much fun filming for you guys. It's a fun thing I like to do. I literally would skip the bed to film because I like it. I love it. And I hope you guys love my channel as well, and I hope you guys enjoy my content as well, of course. Yeah. Again, I'm gonna say it. Subscribe to my channel. Hopefully we get to 40, or I get 40. I feel weird saying we because I don't know, even though it's like our community and stuff like that, it's still like, oh, it's our channel. Like, cause I don't know, maybe it's our channel, maybe it's my channel, maybe whatever. But yeah, hopefully I get to 40 by the end of the year. I don't know, I don't think it's gonna happen, but why can't I hope? You know, it's okay, it's not gonna do anything bad for me. So I'm gonna hope for 40. Hopefully we get it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you would like me to tell you what product I use, I will let you know. Just leave me a comment in the comment section and I will let you know what I use, because I don't want you guys to be like guessing and like, oh my god, why is she not telling us? This is not the point of the video. It's the point of the video is to use your collection. I'm repeating myself again, but yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.